Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end. Okay, so when we were discussing gold yesterday, market was trending over here and we gave you several scenarios. This was the support area, short-term area of support, and this was the short-term area of resistance. And you guys can clearly see that market almost tested our resistance area over here and they gave us a confirm sign to sell from here. So if we would have taken this selling, then we could have made a good profit of approximately 2.6%, which is good. And then, as you guys can clearly see that this area of support was almost tested over here, and we could have taken a buy entry from here. So let me just zoom out a little. Yes, so if we would have taken an entry of buying from here, then our day profit will be approximately here, and our stop loss will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a 1.6 or say 1.7% profit approximately, and then market gave us an abnormal move. You would have opted to stay out of it. And then once market stabilized a little bit and gave this signal of buying, and then once again market closed above our area of support, then we could have entered in a supportive scenario. But once again, this would be still risky. So even so, if you would not take a risky entry, then you would enter around somewhere around here, and your takeoff will be approximately here, and your stop loss will be approximately here. So this trade would have given you 1.8% profit, which is amazing. Okay, so now let me, as you guys can clearly see, a new low has been formed today. So I see some kind of retracement and then market will continue its push downwards. So let me mark fresh scenarios for you guys. That new support area has been formed. Okay, so this is a new support area, and this support area will be something like this. So let me just mark it with this box. Okay, so this will be a new support area, and this support area will continue, and this resistance area is also gonna continue. Okay, and the short term area of risk will be over here. Okay, so now how are we going to trade? That is a major question now. Okay, so first of all, let me just remove these and move this key a little bit ahead. Okay, so quite simply, if market tests the support area, then we will buy this pair on it upon this simple test, and if market closes above this area of resistance, then we will buy this pair from the resistance, and if market enters this area again, then we will buy this from here, and alternatively, if market just simply touch this area of resistance and market closes below this area, then we will sell this pair. And if market just simply closes below this area, then we will sell this pair. Okay. And if market closes below this area and then market retests this area, and we will sell this pair. Okay. Okay. Okay, so these will be the areas for tomorrow. So if you guys want to make good profits, then just follow these scenarios and this key as well. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you.